Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel, Edification World. Today we will discuss about how to start your UPSC preparation after 12th or during graduation. So let's start the video.
First, if you're just past your 12th and not started your college life, then you must choose those subjects for graduation which can help you later for UPSC preparation, like history, geography, political science, economics, or language literature, etc. Second, if you're in between your graduation, then you should start reading newspapers like The Hindu, Indian Express, and magazines like Pratyogita Darpan, Down to Earth, Frontline, Kurukshetra, Yojana. These will keep you updated of what's happening in India. Third, after completing your graduation, like if you've done your graduation in other subjects rather than arts, then you should start your preparation from NCERT books. You can start reading Form Class 6th Social Studies books. But if you think your basic is great, then start from Class 11th. NCERTs. Also, don't forget to read newspapers and magazines till you pass this exam. Afterwards, start reading author books of each subjects. I've already uploaded author books name of every subjects. Link in description if you don't know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.